Step 3. Beginning door installation. Before you begin, take time to watch the video series and review the installation manual. Make sure all jambs are plumb so your door hangs evenly, and that the header and floor are level. If the door will be installed on steel jambs, mounting plates for the door mounting brackets are required and should be bolted to the jambs prior to installation. The top of the mounting plate should be located approximately 10 inches above the top of the door opening. The inside edge of the mounting plate should be 1 inch inside of the 3.5-inch door jamb. This is an important step in your door installation. Mounting plates must be level to each other and must be mounted using only the hardware provided. Check them with either a laser or water level. Don't go by the plate's relationship to the door header or floor, which may not be level. Always use a water or laser level.